Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore the world of boating mistakes and witness the funny actions of some pretty dumb folks. And maybe you will wonder, how can they get the license? Take the seat and enjoy this trip together. I wonder who approved this captain to have a driver's license.
Oh no.
I guess the captain is anxious to return home to see his wife after many days of separation. As for these guys, they just want to enjoy with their boat. He needs to learn more about tide signs.
Can you believe I just got that on video?
As the Disney cruise backs directly into the dock, you can clearly hear the loud crash that occurs as it hits the dock.
I knew that was going to happen. Holy fuck around.
Not strong enough to withstand the weight of these logs. This action is so incredible, but they certainly wouldn't do the same thing to everyone on the ship.
Oh no.
Huh?
I wonder if he's looking to do it again. Collisions of super yachts when docking can happen, but if it happens twice, then I think this captain has a problem. They say you'll see your life flash by in the last seconds, but this guy had enough time to watch an entire movie. Before deciding to put your boat on autopilot and take a nap, be sure to check the wind direction to avoid similar unexpected situations.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my god. Shit. Wow. Oh shit.
Idiots always ignore advices, and this is a prime example.
Hey, what happened?
You can reach any sea with this powerful ship. So their race ended here. Looks like that guy just got his driver's license. The name of the ship is excellent, but the way it's moored is, a bit disappointing. If you've ever been worried about your parking ability, this moment will make you feel a lot more relieved. Why is the tugboat so close to the ship? Share your thoughts in the comments.
Did he? Oh yeah, he did.
Oh my god! Oh no, no! Holy!
Is that how captains greet each other? Just one completely broken cable can tear a nearby car in half. On June 2nd, 2019, a giant cruise ship suffered engine failure and lost control while docked in Venice. It collided with pier and a tourist boat. Fortunately, no one was harmed. I asked myself whether the problem was caused by the engine or the driver's ability. An out-of-control ferry with 140 passengers on board collided with the harbour wall. If you want to become the center of attention in the whole port in just a few seconds, it depends entirely on the captain. The way they did it may have been wrong, but the result was perfect. Just hearing the sound coming from the yacht is enough to know that the owner will have to spend a large amount of money to repair it. The sailor's carelessness resulted in 11,000 barrels of recycled oil spilling into the water. Luckily, no one was injured. The boat driver is too confident in his calculations.
Oh yeah. Riggers. Oh no.
Yeah, baby.
Oh.
The other way. Oh, yeah. Here,
No.
Here you go.
I love when Grandpa falls.
Oh no.
This yacht acts like a kid learning to ride a bicycle, crashing into the shore with all the clumsiness and enthusiasm. Due to excessive alcohol use, the captain caused the Russian cargo ship to crash into a road bridge in Busan, South Korea. Now I'm pretty sure that driving a boat is much more difficult than driving a car.
Oh no!
I suspect after this incident, the captain may not be able to keep his job. This is a guy who missed the lesson on how to dock a boat. Due to a wrong estimate of the height, the container ship captain had to wait for the tide to recede before the ship to continue on its way. To stay safe when rowing under a modern bridge, make sure your boat is not Victorian in design. I couldn't help but feel heart attack when I saw these two giant ships directly confronting each other.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
This can only be a dramatic action if you're in the middle of a naval battle, but otherwise it makes no sense.
Bruh.
Hey! Hey! Oh my god!
Oh my god. Be careful when going fishing, otherwise you may find yourself in a similar situation. Small boats often suffer more damage in collisions like this. So some money just flew away. I wonder what crime that radar committed, and why the captain treated it like that.
Boomba!
Did the captain intend to test the strength of his boat with that bridge? While these idiots are here, this whole dock will not be safe. That captain's salary and bonus this month have disappeared without a trace. I wonder what idiot angered the boat to make it so angry. What happened was like a nightmare for this diver. Luckily, he was okay.
Hey, we're doing a study the Bible at come up to church at all? Oh yeah, my wife and I were doing a camp ministry.
A wise decision to ensure his safety. In your opinion, how was this collision incident? Perhaps the captain drank a little too much last night. Is that a scene from Fast and Furious? Thank you for watching until the end. Please let us know in the comments which moment surprised you the most, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to the channel. Goodbye, and see you again.